guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Yen, and for today's video it will be a talk through get ready with me video, and I actually have an appointment today and I think it will be fun to take you guys along with me. So yeah, guys, I do apologize if you happen to hear a lot of background noises throughout the whole video. The primer that I've been using is from PERIPERA, and this is their Pang in banana milk. So I'm just gonna apply a decent amount on the back of my hand, but this much, it's actually too much. And a lot of you also left a comment on my Instagram greeting me happy birthday, and thank you guys so much. I've read all of it and I've answered a lot, and you guys know that I always try my best to keep up with your messages, just because I wanted you guys to know that I see them all and I read them, and I really appreciate. I've been surprised that a lot of you actually remembered my birthday, so I'm really touched and super happy about it. I have my primer on. I'm just gonna go ahead and use a concealer, and for concealer, this is the one that I've been using. This is from COSRX, and this is their Clear Fit Spot Concealer. And I've been using this because I do have acne prone skin. Now I'm just gonna use the same concealer under my eyes, just because this one is a little bit darker, so I like to use this under my eyes, just right here. You guys know I love this concealer just because it has super high coverage, and also it is super affordable. So if you guys are looking for high coverage affordable concealer that's not gonna break you out, then I highly suggest that you check out the SAEM concealers. I've been really busy with business and stuff. If you guys didn't know, I actually made an Instagram shop for t-shirts, so it's right here, and I've been designing most of the stuff, and others I get inspirations from internet, Tumblr, Pinterest, and most of the t-shirts I got my inspiration from Junji Ito and from his manga. So yeah. And for base makeup, I'm gonna be using the one from Natural Actor. I love to use this for high coverage, so yeah. And also right now it's very humid, so I feel like my PERIPERA foundation won't work, so I'm using this one. And what I do is I'm just gonna dab this brush. This brush, I don't know where it's from, it's unbranded. Primer that I use already have a coverage. I'm just gonna use a little bit of this just because I don't want it to cake on my face later on. Yeah. Face is done. I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my face, and I forgot to bring my contouring powder, so using my Detail Makeover Contour and Blush palette, and I'm gonna use the lightest shade right here. So what I do is I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this contouring powder under my jaw. That way my face is gonna look a lot slimmer. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but it looks a lot slimmer now. And also, I haven't really been going out lately. I'm just really stuck at home and working on things. I've been working on a lot of things, but I feel like I've been rushing things so badly recently that I just kind of stressed myself over it, and I just really wanted to, like, you know, finish something. I'm gonna go to a lot of details, but lately I've been trying to do so many things at once, and I'm just like dying for them to work out, and yeah, I feel like I shouldn't be like that, so yeah. Okay, so now I look like I just lost a little bit of weight, That's the power of contour, you guys. I'm not really talking that much on my videos because I'm not really that talkative even in person. Like, I feel like I don't really have much to talk about, and yeah, I don't really. So after I contour my nose, I'm just gonna go ahead and use this finger, and I'm gonna use this highlighter and just apply it on the tip of my nose. Also guys, I've been wanting to do a lot of vlogs. It's just that I don't have someone to vlog with. Like, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get shy if I were to vlog alone somewhere. So yeah, just applying the same highlighter at the, what do you call this, cheekbones. Step is blush, and for blush, I'm gonna use this one. It's a very nice peachy blush, and I love it. So I'm just applying this blush right here, and I'm just dabbing my blush brush. Ooh. And also guys, I've been wanting to focus on doing fashion videos because lately I feel like I've been really obsessed with hoarding clothing items, and I wanted to show you guys how I style them. And now for eyebrows, and I'm just gonna use this one. This is from Midnight. So I'm just throwing in a straight line following my natural eyebrow shape. Using this palette. This one is from FOCALLURE, and this was actually sent to me like a few months ago, and since then I've been loving it just because it's so pigmented. Yeah, it's not Morphe type of pigmented, but you know, a decent amount of pigment. And for this, I'm gonna be using the shade called Tumbleweed right here, all over my lids. This will serve as like my transition color. My eyebrows are just way too strong. It's okay, we'll make it work. After I applied that all over my lids as well as on my eye pillow, because you guys, I don't use powder at all, I shadow to kind of like set my eye makeup. And yeah, that is, I actually don't know what look I'm gonna go in for today. I'm just like trying to look at this palette and figure out what I wanted to use. Let's go for something safe. So I'm gonna use this color called Treasure. It's like this very pretty apricot color, and I'm just gonna use my favorite blending brush. Just dab it right there, and I'm just gonna apply it right here, like above my crease. See what I wanted to use for my lids. Maybe I'll use this shade called Chill. This color right here. And I'm just gonna use my finger. This eye pigment. It's actually a flat brush, and I'm just gonna apply the shade called Teddy right here, and I'm just gonna dip my brush a little bit and apply it right here. I do apologize if you happen to find it very hard to understand me when I'm talking. Just so you know guys, it's because English is not my first language, but the reason why I'm vlogging on English is because I wanted to give consideration to all my subscribers who don't really talk or understand Tagalog. So I wanted to like give consideration to them. So yeah, I hope you guys don't mind. Step is eyeliner, and for eyeliner I've been using this one. This is a local brand, so I'm not sure if you're like from other countries if you're gonna be able to get your hands on this, but this is from SHADWILL, and this is their eyebrow and eyeliner gel. Just drawing in my eyeliner like very closely to my lash line, just because I wanted this eyeliner look to look a lot more natural and simple. So yeah. And also, a lot of you have been requesting that I do western type of makeup look, but you guys, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to pull it off, just because I don't really know how to bake and I don't like mattifying makeup look. And also, I feel like it's not gonna look good on me, but I've been practicing a lot recently, and I think I've mentioned before that I did try to play with like black and blue color eyeshadows, and it didn't work out just because I look terrible. I look really bad. So, but I guess I'm just gonna try and practice a little bit more. Also guys, this mirror, my sister broke my mirror, so my mom kind of like fixed it for me, and that's so sweet of her. Next step is mascara, and I'm just using this one. All the products that I use will be on the description box below, because I feel like I didn't mention all the products that I used, so it will be right there. This one, I'm just gonna check if that would look good. I feel like it's gonna look too much. Should I apply falsies? So the falsies that I'm gonna be using today is called Taiwan Lashes, and it's super affordable, you guys. Like, I got it for 150 pesos for 10 pieces of lashes, which is such a steal, because normally you would get one piece of lashes for 150 pesos, which I think is pretty expensive. Apply a matte lipstick. Oh. And what I do is to make my lips look a lot more plumpier is I use my finger. It's kind of dirty. So I'm just gonna use my fingers and kind of, you know, blend this side right here so it won't look precise, because I don't like my lip makeup to look a lot more precise, because I feel like it looks so unnatural that way. So I just kind of like blend it like here, like that. So I don't know if you guys can see the difference already, but my lips look a lot more plumpier and bigger. So yeah, lip tint, which was a gift from my sister's friend, and it's from SAEM, and it's their water candy tint in the shade Apple, and I've been loving this a lot. So I'm just gonna apply it at the center part of my lips. Okay guys, so we're done, and I'm just gonna fix my hair. Like, I don't really know how to fix it, but yeah, we are done, you guys. And I'm not gonna wear this. This is too much, but yeah. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna vlog the whole thing, like my meeting and stuff, but yeah, I'll try and get clips for you guys. But this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'm pretty sure I talked about a lot of like stuff, and you probably are thinking I'm like very random. I do apologize for that. But yeah, let me guys know if you want more of this talk through videos, or if you prefer me not talking at all. Let me know. If you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you on my next one.